that here? It is a LOSI micro rally car. Like, I bought it the other day. I've already run it, but I'm still going to unbox it like this. Anyway. There you go. Looks nice in the desert, see? Take that. So that's a little car. Quite cute. Tiny little shocks there. Four-wheel drive. See your battery compartment. Some nice little body clips on. Already kinked up, so they're easy to get off, but they are very, very small. So I'm bound to lose some of them. Little flexible aerial. Rolls over quite a few times. But yeah, nice little tyres. Fully sized. Basically like the mini LOSI buggy, but in small. Brushless as well. All good. I'm back on there for a bit. What else do you get? Register your product online if you want it. I'm doing that later at some point. And I've already taken most of these things out of here. What's in there? Little thing about the battery. Ready charger and all it is. Provide ones for American, European, and the T41, which is on the charger, in charge. Should have it really show you. Got an instruction book there. Not very informative, but it's got everything you need in it. And they give you, I think, a spare gear, a little spare pinion gear, and a little two spare pinion gears, so I've got different sizes. A little battery link or some link for someone else. Everything you need to get going. Also provide you with the batteries for the controller, which was in there, we've already taken it out. So, there you go, that's the controller. Nice, standard controller I think. You got your power, you got your dual rate, you got your steering and throttle trims, your reverse functions on top there. Not too bad. You're not really going to catch them too badly when you're moving around. Nice and ergonomic. Works alright. And the batteries I gave you. So, like I said, everything in the box ready to run, just charge it up. That just down for storage as well. Turns around I think as well. Only to there and there though. Good. Right. So yeah, that's all you get in the box. Some nice pictures on it there. So yeah, here we have the charger that you get with it. It takes about an hour to charge in the UK. I think it may take a couple of hours if you're only charging on 110 volts in Europe or America. It's a little micro LOSI. And then this is a tiny micro NIMH pack, nickel metal hydride, 4.8, 220 milliamp hours. So yeah, Let's get the battery in, give it a bash. So yeah, to install the battery, just get them, slide it in there. It's quite a decent connection when it's connected. Quite fiddly to do as well because it's not very long. There you go. So you can get a LiPo in here, that's the underside of it. Apparently if you use that with a hole up there you can get the wires into, you can have the adapter in. But it all fits in quite nicely. So it's all connected up. Make sure you don't trap the little wires in the way. There you go. Small cars and big fingers. So yeah, radio on. And there you go. A little bit of turning action. Only on the 4.8 standard one, but the brushless motor accelerates very quickly. I'm about to get some LiPos for it soon, so let's go and have a look at it.